If you want to go back on the Samsung Galaxy A27, if you use buttons for navigation, then all you have to do is you need to press this arrow over here. It can be positioned on the right side or the left side of the phone, depending on this setting over here, the button order. So you can just tap in order to go one step back to the previous page, to previous app, whatever was previously on your phone. And of course, if you use swipe gestures instead, then you need to swipe from the left side of the phone to the middle, just like that. As you can see, we have this arrow indicating, and of course the animation as well, indicating that we are about to go back. And you can do the same thing from the right side too. So it's up to you which one you prefer. You can use both at any point. It works pretty much in every app, in any situation. And if you want to decide which navigation style you want to use, if you prefer to use buttons or if you want to swipe, then in that case, in settings on your phone, you want to go to display settings. Then over here in display settings, we're going to go to the navigation bar, and over here you can decide. Leave a like and subscribe.